Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Vbucks. Vbucks are the in-game currency used in Fortnite, which is developed by Epic Games. Players can use Vbucks to purchase variety of cosmetic items like skin, emotes, gliders, wrap, pickaxe, and the battle pass, which unlock additional content throughout the Fortnite season. How to obtain the V-Bucks? You can obtain V-Bucks with buying them with real money. Players can be bought directly using world currency from within the game or through official websites. The common pricing is 1,000 V-Bucks is equals to $7.99. 2,800 V-Bucks is to currently $18.99, and here are the others. And another way to obtain V-Bucks is by Battle Pass reward. You can earn V-Bucks by progressing through the Battle Pass, both free and paid tiers. Typically, you can earn around 1,500 V-Bucks in a season by completing various challenges and unlocking rewards. Another way to earn V-Bucks is by playing Save the World. Players who own Fortnite Save the World mode can earn V-Bucks by completing daily quests, challenges, and missions. However, this mode is no longer sold as part of a new bundle and is now on maintenance mode. It is important to note that V-Bucks cannot be transferred between accounts and primarily for purchasing cosmetic items which do not affect gameplay or give any competitive advantage. And there you go. That is V-Bucks. I hope you like the video and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.